after 25th May, you will have exactly 88 days to prepare for mains examination. And during these 3 months, every serious aspirant would be giving their 100% to the examination. AIR 10, 49, 117 of last year and AIR 14, 228, 386, 393 of this year have identified that previous year questions are the key to this examination. Now, with our experiences of over 3 years and our discussions with our top rankers, we have identified there are 3 pillars to this examination. That is content, answer writing and personal feedback. Now, let us take a look at all these 3 pillars one by one. Pillar 1 is content. As you all are aware of that in mains we have some different subjects that are not in prelims. For example, ethics, essay, governance, social justice, disaster management, internal security and so on. Now, to be ready with these subjects, you must have good notes prepared over them. Pillar 2 is answer writing. After having good notes over all these subjects, you must try to write them in a concise and time-bound format, and this will come with practice only. The third pillar is personal feedback. After having good notes, learning how to write them, we must understand that an unexamined life is not worth living. Now, here at Kalam IAS, you will get face-to-face evaluation with expert faculties and toppers of last year, which will help you to improve, to identify your mistakes and add value to your answers. Now, we have analyzed all these 3 pillars, but ऐसा इतना perfect course मिलेगा कहाँ? We at Kalam IAS provides you RLP program, that is reverse learning program. Here we just don't write answers. We write, we analyze, we improvise and we repeat this cycle throughout these 3 months, which will help you to gain confidence over your answer writing, to get you mains ready for the examination. Now let us discuss some details around RLP, that is reverse learning program. At Kalam IAS, you would be getting syllabus-wise notes from the day 1 itself in the form of Kalam Golden Pages, that is KGP, which will cater the need of a static theory portion of each subject. After that, you would be getting recorded lectures which would be filling the conceptual gap in your preparation, and also the most important MIB, Marks Improvement Booklet, which would cater the need of current affairs and value addition to your notes. Now, AIR 117 Chaitanyagiri last year and also AIR 14, AIR 228 have acknowledged the importance of MIB booklets because the last minute revision of these booklets helped them to score very good marks in all the GS papers. With that, we will have live answer writing workshop. In these workshops, you would be writing 10 questions in 1.5 hours, and these 10 questions will be from PYQs. You would be writing at least 7 years of PYQs in the class itself, that is around 300 questions. What you will learn from this exercise? You will be able to improve your structure, improve your speed. You will be able to get the demand of the question, and also you will get the knowledge of how to utilize all these materials. And finally, this will build your muscle memory so that recall power is established. With that, you would be having weekend tests throughout these 3 months, which will include sectional tests as well as full-length tests. And the story doesn't end here. Let us now discuss the most exciting feature of reverse learning program, that is F2F, face-to-face evaluation with expert faculties and also toppers of last year, and not just some standard guidance. This exercise would be highly beneficial for those aspirants whose marks are hovering around 80 to 90 in the mains examination. Now, if you think RLP आपके अटेम्प्ट और टाइम दोनों को ही सेव कर सकता है एंड इट कैन ऐड वैल्यू टू योर प्रिपरेशन, डू विजिट आवर ऑफिस और आवर वेबसाइट. यू कैन रीच आउट टू द नंबर्स गिवन हियर एज वेल. सो सी यू इन द लाइव वर्कशॉप्स. थैंक यू वेरी मच. टेक केयर. जय हिंद.